Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the garage. I am perplexed. Woke up this morning with this strange, musty odor in the house. It's been there before, but not as strong. And I got my sinuses kicking. So the wife got up, she smelled it too. She wanted me to check crawl space. Well, I already checked the crawl space the last time I was in it because I thought the outside spigot had broke over the winter. It didn't. It did the previous year and I replaced it. So I looked around and I didn't see anything. But a couple few weeks ago, we had that windstorm. I think I talked about it already. Blew the cap off the chimney. Well, I got up there and upon further inspection, the top of the chimney shot. And it's probably been leaking water in it for a long time now. I thought there was another cover up there on it because from here you can see this like little piece of metal. It's got a big old gaping hole in the center of it, and then around it it's all wide open. So I called a friend. He's going to come out tonight. We're going to look at it, see how I can replace the wood. That's not a problem, but the flashing around it's gone. So yeah, so I'm thinking it's got to get done. So the tables get put on hold yet again, and the garage is driving me crazy. It's too small, but I got to deal with it. So I move things to get room, and then I move things to move things again. So, but I think I still have my same plan right now. The table saw, I'm going to build a platform for it to sit on and put it on casters. I got one more set of casters. I have to clean off behind the toolbox, which the camera's sitting on the toolbox, and get some pipe. I watched this guy on YouTube. Took some pipe, cut a slot in them, notched the top, screwed them onto the wall, hung all the rakes and shovels and everything. A lot more efficient than what I've got. I've got these screw-in things that I got from the box store and nails, and I think the pipe thing is the way to go. So and I gotta move everything down so I can build the workbench for the table saw. Not the table saw, the chop saw, which I still have yet to buy a blade for. But as you know, I took the old bench apart, and now I have extra lumber that I don't want to get rid of laying on the floor that's at least 6 foot long. It's just pine, or the 2x8 is fir. Some of it's old water bed frame, so. But I got stuff that I want to do up there where I got wood stored. Recycling truck. I want to bring that stuff down. I don't want to put anything else back up there, so. I think what I'm going to do is just do some organization and cleaning today. And maybe build that cart for the table saw and get it raring to go. Because I got all the accessories for the table saw in one of my drawers here on my toolbox that I built. That's going to be another video too. I'm going to go over how I built this cabinet. I still got work to do to it. But anyway, that's what we're going to do today. Yeah. So we'll talk to you in a little bit. Hey YouTube, I'm back. It's getting late, but ta-da! I've got the chop saw set up, screwed down. Don't know if this is going to be temporary or permanent yet. Don't know, but I can use it. It's been sitting here and I haven't used it the first time. Haven't even gotten a blade for it. So I got lots of room for storage underneath there. As a matter of fact, let me see something. Oh, look at that. Compressor fits underneath, and I'll make it so the table saw fits underneath there too. Friend came over. We looked at the chimney. He's gonna get with a friend of his. He's gonna get a friend with his and make a cap for it. Take the old one off of it because water's just coming down in there. Even with that cap right there that bottle's sitting on, water's still getting down there. So that's gonna get taken care of. I still got all this wood. Thinking about making. Here, let me show you. I had like a half a sheet of the pink stuff, and I had some 1/4-inch plywood. I'll finish this whole wall. I'll probably end up insulating the whole wall, maybe the ceiling too. Yeah, it's getting there. Tomorrow when I get out of work, I'll do the table saw. It's getting late though. I put this stuff away. I got a little editing to do. Alright. Share and subscribe. And like. Dumb dog. Alright, later.